In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to integrate Wix with ConvertKit. The first thing you should do is settle on the right platform. You see, to ensure the successful integration between Wix and ConvertKit, you will need a platform that supports both. Some great suggestions to choose from would be Zapier, Pabbly Connect, or Make. Each of these platforms provides seamless integration support between Wix and ConvertKit. But for our tutorial, we will choose one as an example. Following the selection of the platform, the next step is the foundational building block of the integration, which is the trigger and action setup. Let's start with the trigger. A trigger in this context refers to an event, occurrence, or action in Wix that you want to start the sequence of integration. Examples of triggers could be new contact or new form submission. Whichever trigger you choose, it's necessary to connect it smoothly to the platform you've selected so that the following actions can be initiated accordingly. After the trigger setup, you will then proceed to define the action you desire in ConvertKit. This action would be relative to your selected trigger. For instance, add subscriber to form or add tag to subscriber, depending on the trigger chosen in Wix. The aim is to create a sequence where a trigger in Wix will automatically instigate a corresponding action in ConvertKit, helping to automate your workflow. With the trigger and action duly established, the next phase is to map the fields. This phase involves connecting the data fields from your Wix trigger, information such as the first name and email, to the corresponding fields in your ConvertKit action. This process ensures that any data flowing from Wix aligns correctly with the specifics of your ConvertKit. Finally, the last and equally important step is to test the integration. Now, at this point, you've got everything set up, and what's left is to make certain that it all works as expected. You will need to send a test request to verify that data can appropriately flow from Wix to ConvertKit. In some instances, you may need to confirm the new subscriber manually in ConvertKit before having a successful test, because sometimes the new subscribers are initially unconfirmed. And that's it. If followed correctly, this guide will allow you to successfully integrate Wix with ConvertKit. Remember, if you encounter any trouble along the way, do not hesitate to seek help from the customer support of your selected platform.